Viewers, in today's lectures, I'm coming to show you how to solve a quadratic equation and make it very easy for you to understand. So first thing, if you have a quadratic equation, you need to know is you have your coefficient of x squared, the coefficient of x plus the constant or the constant which is equal to 0 and is always equal to 0. So the terms involved and the technical involved that you need to know, you have to know your product, see your product, sum, and the factors. Okay, so someone will ask, how do you get the product, the sum, and the factors? So looking at the equation, looking at the equation, you have the coefficients of x squared, the coefficients of x, and the constant, which is 8. Okay, so the coefficient of x squared is having 1 over here at the front. So the number at the front you use to add the coefficients, you multiply it by 8 or the constant. You multiply the number at the front of the coefficient of x squared with the constant. So that will give you 8. So this give you 1 times 8, that is equal to 8. All right. And the sum is the coefficient of x in the equation. Okay, so the coefficient of x, that is equal to 6. So here the coefficient of x is 6, so 6 is your sum. So the factors, this is when most of us get it wrong or is we find it difficult. So finding the factors, you need to get the two numbers. When you multiply that two numbers, you get your constant, and when you add that two numbers, the same two numbers, you must be able to get the coefficient of x. Please kindly take note, when you multiply the two numbers that you have to find, when you get it, you multiply, you get your constant, and when you add, you get your coefficient of x. So that will give you factor. So we have to find two numbers here, that is 2 and 4. So the factor equal to 2 and 4. So 2 and 4 is our factor. So knowing that, when see, let's quickly do this. 2 times 4 give you 8. That is your constant 8. And then 2 plus 4 give you 6. That is the coefficient of x. So here we can move on to solve without any difficulty. So, and then the next thing to do is to replace these two factors in the equation with the coefficient of x. Okay, so let's rewrite this like this. This give you x square plus this x square plus 2x plus 4x plus 8, which is equal to 0. All right. Okay, good. Now we get this equation, so we can move on to solve or factorize. All right, so and doing factorization, you need to separate the terms. So this give you, we bring x outside the bracket. So here, x divided by x squared give you x, and x divided by 2x give you plus 2. Okay, so we move to the second term. Okay, so this give you plus 4. All right, so this 4 divided by 4s, that give you x, then 4 divided by 8, that give you 2, so plus 2. All right, which is equal to 0. So here we are to separate the terms. So this give you x plus 2 into bracket x plus 4. This place you just leave this one, okay, out, so which is equal to 0. So here we have x plus 2 equals 0, or x plus 4 equals 0. So we need to find the value of x here. So this gives you x plus 2 equals 0, when we need to just move 2 to the other side. So 2 is positive, so when you cross the equal to sign, it become negative. So this gives you x equals negative 2. And we do the same to the second one. So this gives you x plus 4 equals 0, and then we move 4 to the right side. So this give you minus 4. So the value of x here, the value of x equals minus 2 and minus 4. Okay, so if today is the first time you are coming across this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe for more. Share the video for other friends who also get. There will be more lectures on this. Please kindly subscribe. Okay, bye bye.